Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can earn $100 per hour in free PayPal money. You're going to be able to make money online here in 2020, even with this global pandemic going on. Now guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as hitting the bell icon for notifications each time I post videos. If you're wondering how I'm able to still make a full-time income online, even with all of this craziness, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the bio below. Now guys, I'm super excited to do this video for you because it's super quick and easy. You're going to be able to make a lot of money using this method of making money online. Make sure to stay for the whole video so I can show you multiple methods of using this website that I'm going to take you to on how you can make money online. Now, there are going to be multiple methods of making money online, so don't skip ahead. Make sure to stay for the whole video. So guys, we are going to go to a site that I am a huge fan of, and it's called respondent.io. It's not .com, it's not .org, .net, it's respondent.io. You can see it over here, respondent.io. Now, it's recruiting business professionals and their general population to do research interviews. So they're businesses that want to know what you think. And they go to respondent and they're going to be the researchers, and you are going to be the respondent. So when you get here, go and hit the respondent. So respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid research interviews. So they want to know you using your expertise about certain aspects. Now, what type of expertise are they looking for? So on average, an average software developer is going to make about $200 an hour. I fall in the marketers category. I would make about $150 an hour. Now, if you're an executive, if you own a bigger company, you are the main head honcho, the big kahuna CEO of a company, they will actually pay you $700 an hour for your input, and just for your expertise on certain things that they are researching. Now, if you're really good with sales and support, you may not be an executive. Have no fear, you'll still be able to make $100 an hour using this site. Business owners, small business, brick and mortar business, e-commerce business, any type of business owner. If you have a lot of expertise in it, we're looking at about $500 an hour. And then software users can even make about $150 an hour. So scrolling down, I just want to show you exactly how it works. Not really sure why the first step is 0, maybe because it's super duper easy, but it's to verify your profile. You want to create a profile and verify your employment using your work email. They don't want your email that you made when you were 13. Probably make a specific email that you're able to access often. That's more of a work-related email. You get matched once you make yourself a profile. Our matching algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile, so you can also browse projects to participate in. So the way that this works is if your expertise is in marketing, like me, they're going to be able to actually pinpoint the jobs that are going to fit your expertise and save you a lot of time searching the dashboard, which I have already created an account, so I'll show you exactly how that works later on in the video. Once you're invited to a study, you will be able to select a time that fits your schedule. This is one thing that I love about working from home and using sites like respondent.io is you are able to make your own hours. Now guys, I work a bunch, but I'm able to make my own hours. So I usually work when the kids are in school, when the baby's napping, after I put all the kids to sleep, and I'm still able to make money. That's exactly how Respondent works. You get to do this on your own time. You can have a full-time job, come home and make a little bit of extra income for the holidays coming up. using this website, which is really awesome, and everybody could use a little extra cash around this time of year. Now, once you have participated in a study, afterwards you get paid automatically via PayPal. So you must have an email, a bank account, and then a PayPal account in order to get paid. All very simple things to sign up for. Check out Chime. I believe it's chime.com. They have online banking there where you don't actually even need to go into a bank to get yourself a bank account if you are not big on leaving your house. And Respondent only collects about a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. So if you get paid $100 for a job, they take $5 of that. So you end up getting paid $95 just in an hour. So their fulfillment fee isn't really that high at all. No, guys, I am already logged into my account, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. This is my dashboard. It says that you can get paid $100 in 5 minutes, one-on-one, for a copy of Payment for a Discount Diary. Please apply to the study so that we can submit your incentive. So that's a really quick, easy one. The other way that you can make money on here is by referring friends. So they have a really, really, really awesome referral program. We can check that out later. And you can get paid for every person that you do refer. Just make sure that you give them your referral code for when they sign up, so that way you get paid for each time that they sign up and complete some work. Now scrolling right through here, here's $30 in 10 minutes. You get a couple of these, 3 of these, 4 of these, you're going to be making well over $100 an hour. And these aren't even going to be taking long. This one says, do you own or manage lots of domains? Take a survey. So if you have a lot of domains, that's a quick $30 in 10 minutes. Let's keep scrolling, see what else we have here. Seeking U.S. employed individuals will sample pay stubs for a secure 5-minute online test. So if you're willing to submit your pay stub and take a quick 5-minute online test, they're willing to pay you $30 for a 5-minute job. Let's just keep looking here. Do you use PayPal? Buy now, pay later. The Pulse is a research platform for people who want to see how the best finance apps are made. Record and share your experience with us, both the good and the bad, and we can help you bank to build financial products within mind. So that's $25 for a $15 job. And a lot of these are just really easy, quick jobs, and you're going to be making on average about $25 a job. As you can see, these jobs are only about 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I mean, you bang out 3 or 4 of these in an hour. On top of that other $100 job, you can make a couple $100 just in one day while working your full-time job, because one of the really awesome things about this is you can do it on your own time. You want to do it at 3 o'clock in the morning with your insomnia, make a couple $100 before you got to show up and, punch the time clock with the boss man. You can totally do that. Seeking homeowners. We're looking for users to review a website and provide recorded video responses. $15 for a 15-minute job. See, these are super duper easy. Childcare, quick survey. If you got kids, you have childcare, they want to know about it. Do you work in childcare? If you work in it and it's something you know a lot about, that's a 10-minute job that's going to pay you $15. It's really quick. It's really easy. That's one of the reasons that I really love this site. And then I was curious. I was like, are people really getting paid using respondent.io? And, I found an overwhelming amount of people who have amazing testimonials with payment proof. $130 here, $28 here, $19 here, $25 here. More payment proof here. I mean, it's all over the place. People are just making tons of money using Respondent. Here's another one, $19, $133 here. There are a bunch of people who are making money from home on their own time, being able to make their first wins with respondent, $38. It looks like $38 here. I'm not really sure where that comment came from, but there's a lot of payment proof if you do the research. It's totally worth it. And a lot of these are just surveys that you have to complete. And like I said, they don't pay you in tokens. They don't pay you in credits. They pay you in cold, hard cash. And also, please do not forget that they do have a referral program. And get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to paid research studies. So if we just sign up and refer friends, sign up as a responder and refer friends to do paid studies, share studies with people in your network who are a good fit. And you can find your referral link on the landing page of each study. Share your referral link via Facebook, LinkedIn, email, everywhere, all over the internet. Tell your friends, tell your family, post it on different sites, post it in your personal Facebook. And then once your referred friend has participated and been paid, you will be paid your referral bonus. Our average referral bonus is $50 paid to you via PayPal. So their average bonus is about $50 once your friend signs up and participates in a few studies, which is crazy not to try and get everybody on board. All you have to do is just hit sign up. You'll get yourself your referral link. You'll give it to them. And when they complete jobs, they need to just throw that in there for you to get that $50 average referral bonus payment. It's going to get paid directly to your PayPal. And guys, that's it. It's super simple. It's super easy. They're looking for people to just share their expertise, their knowledge, answer questions, take these surveys, upload some videos about your experiences with different things that they're looking to learn about. And that's it, guys. I really hope you liked this video. I appreciate you staying all the way to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I know a lot of you are watching these videos and have yet to subscribe. Do yourself the favor, just subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. And if you're looking for my full-time recommendation to make money online, my #1 recommendation for making money is going to be the first link in my description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.